Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we're tackling a common issue in VRChat, claw hands. Nobody wants their avatar to look like they're perpetually trying to grab something invisible. So, let's dive into fixing this annoying problem and get those hands looking natural again. First, understand the common causes. Claw hands often stem from incorrect avatar setup in Unity. Specifically, armature mismatches and incorrect bone weights are the main culprits. Another cause might be the animation overrides conflicting with your avatar's animations. Before we jump into fixes, let's look at some troubleshooting steps inside VRChat itself. Ensure your avatar is set to tracking only in the avatar performance settings. This prevents the avatar from trying to animate the hands on its own, which can sometimes lead to that claw-like appearance. If this doesn't work, try recalibrating your playspace. VRChat might be misinterpreting your controller positions, causing incorrect hand poses. Now, let's get into Unity. Open your Unity project containing the avatar. Select your avatar's armature in the hierarchy window. Check if all the bones are correctly assigned and connected. Focus on the hand bones and fingers. Make sure there are no missing or misplaced bones. Next, inspect the avatar's animation controller. Look for animation overrides or layers that might be forcing the hands into a claw position. Try disabling or removing these overrides to see if it resolves the issue. If you are using custom animations, double-check them. Inspect each keyframe for any abnormal hand poses. You might have accidentally set the fingers to curl inwards during animation. Now, let's talk about bone weighting. Bone weighting determines how much influence each bone has on the mesh. Poor bone weighting can cause the mesh to distort unnaturally, resulting in claw hands. To fix this, you'll need to adjust the bone weights in your 3D modeling software, such as Blender. Select the hand and finger mesh in Blender. Go into Weight Paint mode. Carefully paint the weights to ensure each bone has the correct influence. Remember that the base of the finger should have more influence from the corresponding finger bone. Reduce the influence of other bones. After adjusting the bone weights, re-import your avatar into Unity. Test it in VRChat to see if the claw hands are gone. Finally, consider the avatar's original design. Some avatars are simply designed with slightly curled fingers. In such cases, you might need to adjust the finger poses in Blender to achieve a more natural look. Use the pose mode to slightly straighten the fingers. Re-import your modified avatar into Unity and test it again in VRChat. Remember that fixing claw hands often requires a combination of these methods. Experiment with different solutions until you achieve the desired result. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you fix your claw hand issues in VRChat. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more VRChat tutorials and content. Consider supporting the channel through Patreon or Ko-Fi. Your support helps me create more helpful videos. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials.